Hello everyone, please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet simple and cute flowers. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. This flower could be perfect for beginners because you just need to know how to work with chains, slip stitches. Please grab your hook and favorite color of yarn and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet my simple flower. I will begin from foundation ring. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain, insert the hook into the ring, make single crochet. While making my stitches, I will remove a long piece of yarn and let's crochet single crochet stitches. Then make chain of 11 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Insert the hook into the ring, make single crochet. Well done. Chain of 11 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And single crochet into the ring. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 8 such chain spaces. I'm about to complete this round. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my round of chain spaces is ready. In total it should be 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's crochet the second round. It is going to be the last round of my flower. Make a chain, work into the chain space, make a slip stitch. In total it should be 15 slip stitches with chain, chain and slip stitch. 2, chain, 3, chain and 4, chain, 5, chain, 6, chain and 7, chain, 8, chain and 9, chain and 10, chain, 11, chain, 12, chain, 13, chain, 14, chain and 15. Then chain, make front post single crochet around the stitch. Make front post single crochet. Make a chain. Work into the next chain space. Make slip stitch with chain 15 times into the chain space. Make a slip stitch 1, then chain. My first petal is ready. In total it should be 8 of them. Let's crochet the second one. Let's repeat. First one is ready. Let's crochet 2, chain, 3, chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8 and chain, 9 and chain, 10 and chain, 11 and chain, 12 and chain, 13 and chain, 13 and chain, and 15. Then make a chain. Then make front post single crochet. Make a chain. Then make slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain. Let's stop and look what I have done. I have done 2 petals. I straight up my stitches. I have done 2 petals. I need to do 6 more. In total it should be 8 of them. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete my flower. Once I have done the last chain, make front post single crochet. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain. Insert the hook from the back, like this. Insert the hook from the back into the chain stitch and take the working yarn, pull it through. Like this. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work using the sewing needle or crochet hook. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how my flower looks like when I'm done. My flower consists of 8 petals. This flower could be perfect for beginners because you just need to know how to work with chains, slip stitches, and front post single crochet. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!